Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix a Facebook Marketplace not showing up. So guys, when you open your Facebook and not showing the option of Marketplace and want to get that option in your Facebook, then I'll help you how to get this option. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Facebook and guys you need to click here the option of your main profile, and guys after this you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. So guys simply you need to click on it, and after this you will find here the privacy shortcuts. So guys you need to click on it, and after this you can see more privacy settings, so you need to click here, and after this here is the option of navigation bar. So guys you need to click on it, and after this here is the option of customize the bar. So guys click here, and here you can see the option of marketplace. So guys I have the option of marketplace because it is clicked on auto. So guys when I am clicking on here, so guys here you can see when it is clicked on hide, then you can see hidden shortcut, then you will not be able to see this option on your Facebook. So guys if you want to get this option on your Facebook, then guys simply you need to click on it and click on auto or pin, and guys after doing this auto, then guys you will be able to show the option of marketplace on Facebook. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.